my channel. I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to work in the back loop only. So this method of crocheting applies to all stitches, so it really doesn't matter what stitch you make in a back loop, it's all crocheted. It starts in the same way basically. So I've started with a row of double crochet stitches. If you don't know how to make a double crochet, I have a video for you on my channel, as well as how to chain. So if you just started and you are a very green beginner, very green crocheter, I have a video for the basic stitches that you can learn. So let's continue. Started with a row of double crochet stitches. Now you turn and I'll show you to begin with the single crochet in a back loop only. So to make your first single crochet, I just chain one. That's all I do. And then crochet in the next stitch. So the next stitch, as you can see, it's made of 2 loops and it looks like a V. This is the front loop here, the front loop, and this is the back loop. And today I'm going to show you how to crochet in a back loop, which is really easy. So you first single crochet and then insert the hook from top to bottom in a back loop. You can see just in that loop, yarn over and pull up a loop and just make your single crochet as usual, and that will leave the front loop unworked and you will create a beautiful ridge to your work, and that can be very decorative if you choose the right pattern. So that's the single crochet in a back loop. Let's make another one. So insert the hook in a back loop only, as you can see. There's a V, the stitch looks like a V. It's got the front loop and the back loop. So we crochet in this loop. So insert the hook in a back loop, yarn over and crochet as usual. So let's make a half double crochet now. To make a half double crochet, as you know, you have to yarn over and then insert your hook under the stitch. Well, back loop only, we will insert the hook under the back loop alone. Yarn over and just continue as usual with your half double crochet. And let's make a double crochet now. See the V in the back loop only, and then crochet your double crochet as usual. And you can see now how the ridge is formed. So let's just do a few more stitches in the back loop until we finish the row. So I'll show you how the pattern looks like when you crochet in a back loop only. Okay, so there it is. No matter what stitch you make, the method is the same, and you can see the ridge. It looks particularly beautiful if you change colors, and that's what it is. This is it, the back loop only method. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to follow me on social media and subscribe to my channel Crafting Happiness for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!